on. Done.
Yeah.
I don't think I can do that.
Oh, MTV Crib.
Yeah, welcome to my crib. Oh, welcome to our crib. Built a 40 foot by, what is it, 16 foot, so two 40 foot containers. Basically joined together. A high cube, so 9'6" tall. That's a bit of a workshop. So we'll walk around it and then show you how we built it. So I'd say really, it's what it is. Two big shipping containers that we didn't chop all the middle out of because I thought it would sag, and the ones I'd seen chop the whole side out, and then this, which I think is 60 by 60 box at the top, would bend pretty considerably. But so we left about 2.5 meters. I'll lay down.
Yeah.
2 minutes? I think so. I've got a splinter. So,
Need to risk assess that.
yeah. So I think I left a little bit more at the back. So I wanted to, we were going to build a couple of workshops. Oh, sorry, yeah. Put some doors in. Make some cubicles. The toilet, no? So I think they measured 2.5 meters by 8 foot, which is 2 and a bit meters, isn't it? Yeah, 2.5 meters, right? So we chopped the middle out, put a box section in either end, welded the box section in, so that's 50 by 50, and it didn't move at all. Then we have shimmied them together and welded them together front and back, and then yeah, so welded them top and bottom pretty much. I can't really see that work.
Tidy up.
Which is the old top to my workbench, but it's nice to say, isn't it? We've got lights, got electric. So the lights are on, but the socket's not yet. It's not plumbed in, piped in properly to the mains, but yeah, everything pinned back. And I think we need a few more at the end over these working areas, so it's kind of, yeah, sheet metal stuff down the end. So couldn't quite get them together, so we will weld up the bottom, a strip down the middle.
Do you want to explain how you've done the roof so it doesn't leak?
Yeah, put another roof on it basically, didn't we? I guess there's loads of ways you could do it, but we ended up sheeting the whole thing across with a secondary roof, like a tin roof. So it's roofed front to back, and then a band down the middle, which is like a ridge, and screwed and sealed, and it doesn't leak. We've had some heavy rain and it's not got wet, which is good. So yeah, the plan is plenty to do, but started painting the outside, haven't we? So in green, so you'll see the front doors. I'll probably paint those. I've rubbed all the other door down.
Oh, perfect.
Let's have a look, shall we? And then that's probably it, isn't it? I think it's a good space. And then I'm going to wheel them up to golf in, and you can see how big it is. Is that all we've done?
I think so.
Suppose that you can summarise that in like 5 minutes. It's okay. I'm going to paint them green. Quite good. Put the golf in there and then. Part 2. Potato build. Cut a 56.5 metre hole in that one. 50 by 50 uprights. Seem to have moved much. God said it'd be floppy, but she's not. There's the other one. Just marked him out. 3 metres. The back bit to there. Leave the old camera on time lapse and get after it with a 9-inch. Just moved all the explosives out of the container.
I'm out. When you like this, you're like, now is it nurse time?
What?
Is it nurse time now? That was easy. Ready? Are you ready for a...
Jack! Come and get your coat on. Put your coat on. Are you outside or not? What?